morning students. I welcome you all to our 12th standard General Maths video class. I hope you are all good and safe. Last class we have learned some problems from the exercise 3.3. Today you are going to learn how to solve partly factored polynomials. Okay, in this we are going to solve exercise 3.4. Here we are having only 2 or 3 problems. Let us move on to the exercise. Exercise 3.4. In this we are going to solve partly factored polynomials. Okay. Look at the exercise 3.4. First one, solve Now we are going to solve this polynomial equation. Now I am going to rewrite the given equation as x minus 5 into, just I am going to interchange these two, x minus 5 into x plus 4, x plus 6 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So here we are having 504. Now I am going to multiply these two as well as the remaining two. If I multiply these two, what will get? X square minus x minus 20. If we multiply these two, we will get x square minus x minus 20. If we multiply these two, we will get x square minus x minus 42 equal to 504. Okay, now what I am going to do? Listen carefully. Look at these two polynomials. Here we are having these two quadratic polynomial in this. Just I am going to take the common factor. Here we are having common term x square minus x, as well as here also we are having x square minus x. So I am going to take the common term as y. Here I am going to take, let x square, the common terms. Here I am going to take the common terms as y. Now I am going to substitute x square minus x as y. So we can consider this as equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes, instead of x square minus x, I am going to put y. So y minus 20 into, here also we will have y minus 42 equal to 504. There will be no change in the RHS. Okay. Now I am going to multiply these two. What will happen? Y square minus 62y minus and minus plus 42 into 20. 840 equal to 504. Now I am going to bring 504 into the left side. So y square minus 62y plus 840 minus 504 equal to 0. Here we are having two constants. Okay, just I am going to subtract these two. So y square minus 62y 840 504 10 3 6 3 3 336 plus 336 equal to 0. Now we are going to factorize this by using a splitting the middle term concept. Here our multiplicative factor is 336. Here our multiplicative factor is 336. What's our additive factor? Minus 62. So what will be the required numbers? Here our multiplicative factor 336, our additive factor minus 62, 56 6. 56 6, here we will have minus minus. So what will happen? Y square minus 56y minus 6y plus 336 equal to 0. Now from the first two term, I am going to take y as a common factor. So what will happen? Y into y minus 56. Similarly, from these two, I am going to take minus 6 as the common factor. So what will happen? Y minus 56 equal to 0. So our factors will be y minus 56 into y minus 6 equal to 0. So our y values are 56 and 6. Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to substitute y values are 56 and 6 in the result 2. I'm going to substitute y as 56 as well as 6 in the equation 2. What will happen? First I'm going to substitute case 1. We can take case 1. Y equal to 56s. So the equation 2 becomes x square minus x equal to y. Instead of y, I am going to put 56. Now I am going to bring 56 into the left side. So x square minus x minus 56 equal to 0. Similarly, we are going to factorize this equation by splitting the middle term concept. So minus 56 minus 1. So our required numbers will be minus 8, 7. So x minus 8, x plus 7 equal to 0. So our values 8 minus 7. So we got our two values, x values 8 minus 7. Now I am going to substitute y as 6 in the equation 2. I am going to substitute case number 2, y equal to 6. So our equation 2 becomes x square minus x equal to 6. X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So now I am going to factorize this by splitting the middle term concept. So what will happen? Minus x minus 1. So our factors required numbers will be minus 3 plus 2. If you multiply these two, you will get multiplicative factor. If you add these two, you will get the additive factor. So our factors x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So our x values are 3 and minus 2. So hence our x values are 8 minus 7, 3 minus 2. First we can write our given x minus 4, x minus 7, x minus 2, x plus 1 equal to 16. Now I'm going to rewrite the given equation as x minus 4 now I'm going to interchange these two, x minus 2, x minus 7 into x plus 1 equal to 16. Now I'm going to take the first two. Now I'm going to multiply these two. So what will happen? X square minus 6x plus 8. Here we'll have x square minus 6x minus 7. Okay, equal to 16. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the common terms as y. So here I'm going to take x square minus 6x as y. Let x square, the common terms, x square minus 6x as y. So we can consider this as equation of 1. So the equation 1 becomes, instead of this I'm going to put y plus 8 into x square. Instead of this I'm going to put y. So y minus 7 equal to 16. So the next step would be y square plus y minus 56 equal to 16. Y square plus y minus 56 minus 16 equal to 0. So the next step would be y square plus y. Here we are having minus 56 minus 16. So what will happen? Equal to 0. Now I'm going to factorize this by using a splitting the middle term concept. So our multiplicative factor minus 72, our additive factor plus 1. So here we'll have 9 minus 8. So our factors will be y plus 9 into y minus 8 equal to 0. So our y values are minus 9, 8. Here our y values are minus 9 and 8. Now I'm going to substitute y as minus 9 and 8 in the result equation 2. So our values, y values are minus 9 and 8. Now I'm going to finish the case 1. Case 1. In the y as minus 9, x square minus 6x equal to minus 9. So what will happen? X square minus 6 plus 9 equal to 0. So here I am going to factorize this by splitting the middle term concept. So 9 minus 6, so minus 3 minus 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0. Our x values are 3 and 3. So we got first two x values, then 3 and 3. Now 3 and 3. Now I am going to substitute y as 8 in the equation 2. So x square minus 6x equal to y. Instead of y I am going to put 8. So the next step would be x square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. Here we can factorize this by splitting the middle term concept. So I am going to use formula, quadratic formula method. Now I am going to solve this by a quadratic formula method. So our a value 1, b value minus 6 and c value minus 8. So what's our quadratic formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I'm going to substitute a, b, c in the formula. So minus b, here we are having already one minus. So it will become plus 6 plus or minus root b square 36 minus 4 into 1 into minus 8 divided by 2a. So what will happen? 6 plus or minus root 36 minus and minus plus 32 divided by 2 into a. Instead of a 1. Here we already have x as 3 and 3. So now so x equal to 6 plus or minus, here you have 68 divided by 2. X equal to 6 plus or minus 68 So we can write 68 as 4 into 17 divided by 2. X equal to 6 plus or minus. For this 4 we can take 2 into root 17 divided by 6. So x equal to, from these two terms we can take 2 as a common factor. So 3 plus or minus root 17 divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So x equal to 3 plus or minus root 17. So we already have x as 3 as well as here we are having 3 plus root 17, 3 minus root 17 are the required x values. Then look at the second one. Solve. Here also we are going to do the same thing. Second one, 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 20 equal to 0. Here we are going to solve this equation. Now I am going to rewrite the given equation as, now I am going to interchange these two. So 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Plus 20 equal to 0. Now I am going to multiply the first two factor. So what will happen? 4x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 3 up into, here also I am going to do the same thing, x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. If you multiply these two, you will get x square plus x minus 6. Now here 4x square, if you subtract these two, you will get plus 4x minus 3 into x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. See, from these two terms, I am going to take 4 as a common factor. So what will happen? 4 into x square plus x minus 3 into x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. What will happen? Now, our assumption is x square plus x is y. So, here we can consider this as equation 1. So, now our equation 1 becomes 4 into this y minus 3 into, instead of this I am going to put y minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. Now what will happen? Now I am going to multiply these two. So 4y square minus 24y minus 3y plus 18 plus 20 equal to 0. So the next step, 4y square, here we will have minus 27y plus 38 equal minus 19 minus 8. So what will happen? 4y square minus 8y minus 19y plus 38 equal to 0. Now I am going to take 4y as a common factor from the first two terms. So from these two I am going to take 4y as a common factor. So 4y into y minus 2. from these two, I'm going to take minus 19 as a common factor. So minus 19 into y minus 2 equal to 0. So what will happen? Y minus 2 into 4y minus 19 equal to 0. From this we will get y as 2 and 19 divided by 4. Now I'm going to substitute y as 2 and 19 by 4 in the equation 2. Now I'm going to substitute y as 2 and 19 by 4 in the equation 2. So what will happen? X square plus x equal to y. Instead of y, I am going to put 2. So x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term concept. So our multiplicative factor minus 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1. Okay, so our x value x plus 2 x minus 1 equals 0. Our x value minus 1. So we got two values. Similarly, you can substitute y as 19 by 4 in the equation 2. You will get some more two values. Totally we will have 4 values for x. Okay, then now we are going to do example 3.23. Solve the equation x minus 2 into x minus 7 into x minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. Now I'm going to interchange these two. So our given equation can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 7 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. Now I'm going to multiply these two. X square minus 5x minus 14. Then x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 19 equal to 0. Now I'm going to substitute x square minus 5x as y. 5 equal to 0. Now our multiplicative factor minus 65, our additive factor minus 8. 13/5 minus. So y minus 13 into y plus 5 equal to 0. So our y values are 13 and minus 5. After this, you can substitute y as 13 and minus 5 in the equation 2. Okay, then you will get y 4 values for x values. Similarly, you can do the example 3.24 as the homework. Next class we will do exercise 3.5. Thank you.